Project browser. The project browser is divided into three parts. Here on the left side is all the effects, transitions, generators, titles installed on your system. Yours will be different with mine, so take a note of that. Here on the middle, you can choose your project type. If you want to create a standalone motion graphics, you select this motion project. If you want to create an effect, you select this one. If you want to create a generator, you select this one. If you want to create a transition, you select this one. And lastly, if you want to create a title or a lower third for Final Cut Pro, you select this one. Here on the right side, this is the project settings. You can select your preset here on the first part, and if you click the arrow, you will be presented with these different options. If you want to create a custom project settings, you select this custom. And once you do that, you will have these settings that you can change. So let's go back to the 1080. Next is the frame rate. If you want to have your frame rate or you want to change your frame rate, you just click this, and then you will have these different options to choose. And lastly, we have the duration. Currently, I have a 5-second duration and it's set on time code. If you want, you can also change it to frames and seconds. Most of the time, I use this time code. Then on this part is the summary of the settings you have chosen. Lastly, if you want to open your motion file, you click this open other. Then you can open your motion file. And then if you want to open a rendered file or a video, you select this import as project, select your video file and import as project. So in this lesson, we just select this motion project with the preset of 1080 and frame rate of 29.97 frames per second and the duration of 5 seconds.